Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over a definite integral that's going to require you to remember a little bit of trig back from pre-calculus. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to rewrite this. I see that I have a sine in the numerator and I have two cosines in my denominator. So right away I'm thinking, well, tangent, since tangent of an angle is equal to sine of that angle divided by cosine of that angle. So this is the integral from negative pi over 4 to pi over 3 of sine theta over cosine theta times 1 over cosine theta d theta. So I know this is tangent of theta, and 1 over cosine of theta, that's just equal to secant. So secant is 1 over cosine of that angle. Okay, so this is the integral from negative pi over 4 to pi over 3 of tangent theta secant theta d theta. And now remember earlier in the semester, at least those of you in my class, when we talked about trig derivatives, remember that the derivative with respect to x of secant x is equal to secant x tangent x. This tells me that my antiderivative is secant theta, and I'm evaluating from negative pi over 4 to pi over 3. And of course, I'm going to start with pi over 3 since it's the larger value. All right, you can see I rearranged my screen just to make space. You don't have to rearrange your writing. So we're going to evaluate secant of pi over 3 minus secant of negative pi over 4. So now let's go ahead and review some unit circle trigonometry. Okay, so here is my unit circle, the unit circle. And then remember, secant is 1 over cosine. So let's ask ourselves, here at an angle of pi over 3, the terminal side, what is the x value there? If you said 1/2, you're correct. The terminal side here has an xy coordinate pair of 1/2 root 3 over 2, intersecting with the unit circle. Okay, so what this tells us is that cosine of pi over 3 is equal to 1/2, making secant of pi over 3 equal to 2. So our definite integral so far is 2 minus. Now let's take a look at pi over 4. Well, negative pi over 4 right here. So in the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive and sine is negative. That makes this terminal point negative root, not negative root 2, positive root 2 over 2, comma, negative root 2 over 2. And that tells me that the cosine of negative pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, making the secant of pi over 4, and I should say negative, equal to root 2. All right. And that is it. You are done. This is the value of this definite integral. Keep calm and math on. Remember, you got this.